I've been filming a lot with the DJI Mavic Air recently, testing out different settings and formats, trying to figure out the best settings to use when filming with the Mavic Air. This shot right here is right out of the box, exactly what you can expect when shooting 4K with the Mavic Air, normal style and normal color profile. Switching to the landscape style, you can see this image is more saturated and the contrast is increased. It's not a bad image, but it's not what I'm looking for. Using the custom style -1 sharpness, -1 contrast, and -1 saturation, which is my normal go-to setting for most DJI drones, looks great. Using the same custom style, but adding the D-CINELIKE color setting, you can see how flat this image is compared to the normal color setting. Depending on how much time you want to spend color grading, this is an option. Comparing the normal style and normal color across resolutions, you can see the difference between 4K, 2.7K, and 1080p. I'm also really impressed with the 1080p 120 frames per second slow motion, which is really cool. Having the capability to shoot 120 frames per second with a pocket-sized drone is just unheard of. After looking at all the different footage, I think the setting that I'll be using from here on out with the Mavic Air is a custom style, -1 sharpness, -1 contrast, and -1 saturation. This gives me a great starting point to color grade. I actually think even these raw images right out of the camera look great. There's great range in the shadows and the image has that cinematic feel. The Mavic Air might look small, but this new camera, faster processor, and gimbal create amazing images. I'm excited to travel the world with this new pocket-sized drone.